If you're using an Android phone with the Google Dialer, you might have noticed a new update. The Google Dialer's been completely revamped. When you check it, you'll see tons of new options, a changed calling icon, and lots of other updates. If you don't like this update and want your old Google Dialer back, you can switch it. In this video, we'll explain how to change the new Google Dialer back to the old one. To do this, first, open the Play Store app. You'll see a search option there. Click on it and search for Phone by Google. When you do, you'll find an option for it. Just click on that, and you'll see an uninstall button. You need to click on uninstall. You might worry that clicking it will completely remove the app from your phone, but that's not the case. The app won't be uninstalled, only the update will be removed. On most Android phones, these apps can't be fully uninstalled. Also, your call history won't be deleted. Anyway, I'm clicking uninstall, and you'll see a pop-up message. Click uninstall again. Once you do, the update will be removed. Now, open the app. You'll see my phone's back to the old Google Dialer. The extra options up top are gone, and the calling style's back to the old version too. One more important thing, go back to the Play Store. On the Phone by Google page, you'll see 3 dots at the top. Click them, and you'll find an option for enabling auto updates. Sometimes it's turned on. If it is, after a couple of days, it'll update automatically, and you'll get the new version again. If you don't want that, you need to disable it. If it's enabled, I'm turning it off. After that, it won't auto-update. So, this way, you can easily uninstall the new Google Dialer and use the old one. Hope this video was helpful. If you found it useful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.